Hello, I'm Robin Feicht at Stampin' Country. Welcome to my studio. Today we're going to make this adorable Thanksgiving turkey favor. It's made with the mini Curvy Keepsakes box dies by Stampin' Up. The main die cuts out your little body or your box. You can get 2 out of 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. It also has additional tag dies and other dies that you can use in conjunction with the box. We're not going to use them all. I've chosen 4 of them that I'm going to use. And also I'm using an oval die from another set. This is my layering ovals. You may have a punch or whatever. Those are the turkey feathers. So you're going to need a cutting machine, your adapter, and 2 cutting pads. This is early espresso cardstock. So I'm going to cut my box. It's super easy to do. And then I'm going to cut a couple of these little oval tags and 1 oval with the early espresso cardstock. The oval is going to be the feather. I'll cut a second oval tag. I'll show you in just a moment what we're going to use those for. Then we're going to use Mango Melody. I'm going to use my star, and then I'm going to cut these little shapes and another oval with my Poppy Parade cardstock. We'll also cut an oval from our Mango Melody for an additional feather. You can use whatever colors you would like, but I thought these looked good together. This is Night of Navy. And then one more, I'm going to do an Old Olive oval. So I have 5 feathers. We're going to curve or break the fibers in the box with the bone folder. Super easy to do. Of course, add the treat of your choice. 2 Reese's cups will fit in here. And that's the body of the turkey. So simple, right? Now to place those feathers together, you can cut them so they're a little more feathery, or you can just leave them like this. This is simple and easy, especially if you're going to make a lot of them. So again, I have Old Olive, Night of Navy, Early Espresso, Poppy Parade, and Mango Melody. There's my feathers. Now I'm going to use one of these little oval tags on the back, just sort of cleans it up on the back. And then we'll adhere this to the box with some Stampin' Dimensionals. You want to place these dimensionals so that the box will still open to reveal the treat inside. Oh, he's handsome already. Now the second oval tag is for his head. And then we're going to make the comb with this little piece here. I'm just threading that through the hole. And then we'll make, I forget which one's the comb and which one's the waffle. And this other little piece we'll put down below. And then the star, I'm actually going to trim this to make his beak. So I'm just going to round off a little piece to bend and fold. And that'll be his beak. We'll put that on with some glue dots. We're almost done. Let's add a couple of eyes with googly eyes. And I'm going to use glue dots once again. It seems to hold them in place just a little bit better. And we're almost done. He looks great. Again, I'm going to use a dimensional. You want to make sure that the placement of the head is in a place that you can still open and reveal the treat inside. So I just placed that on front. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Have a fabulous day.